of the problems that is very typical with these Series Land Rovers is that the door swings wide open because the check rod is missing. I'll show you. So the check rod belongs here, and I ordered one of these from Rovers North. It's called Limit Arm Rear End Passenger Door Series 2A and 2. So this basically has a screw. I replaced the washers, but I think this nut's going to be hard to find. I'll look for a new one to replace. But my problem in doing this is the previous owner put a sheet of this aluminum checker plate on it, and I'm missing the track. The track that comes with the door normally is built into the door. It's not a separate part number. I've looked in the parts book. So you can't just order the track. The track is part of the door. So I'd have to replace the whole door in order to have that exact track. So I looked around quite a bit, and then I got the idea, well, there is a track which they sell for the Defender. And this is it. So I ordered this, and there's a right and a left one, so you got to be careful. This particular one is for the right side. And I wondered, well, is this going to fit? So let's see. Slide it in. And then this is where it's going to come on the door. This wide. At the corner of the door, there is a bolt here, which might work for me to at least get this channel on, get it started right here at that hole. And that might work just to get the feel of it. I actually have to be inside the car to see if it works, so I've put the limit arm channel on using that one screw on the corner, tightening it up pretty tight. And now let's test it and see how it looks. So here it is open, and it opens fine. So now we close it, and its door's fully closed, and you can see there's still a little bit of room left. You can see that, I mean, even I can put my finger under here. There's a little bit of the channel left, so it's not coming out of the channel, which is perfect, and it slides pretty nicely. So now we'll fully open the door, and I can put the rubber check stop. There's a rubber bumper I can put in there as well. You can put the rubber bumper right here, and by doing that, that is what is going to limit the travel so it doesn't hack into the corner of the door there. So that can be remedied, and even at that stage, look how wide the door is open. It's just fine. I'm happy with that solution. I'm just going to drill the other hole through the door and put a nice long bolt in there with a nut. It'll be like this one right here. Let's see if I get a shot of it. That one's too short. I have to make that longer. And the other one's going to go right here. And then, of course, I could reinforce it with two more up top, which I will do. I received the little check stop piece of rubber, which goes in the door check channel. But here's what it looks like. It was only $4. It's a beautiful thing. And I'm going to install it right now. So here's the check rod channel, and this thing slides right in. I'm putting it in lengthwise. I'm just going to use the check rod itself to slide it all the way down, and that's it. And now I'll simply hook up the check rod . I do need to clean off that screw, get the rust off it, but right now I just want to get this thing on and completed to see if it really works. Just hand tightening it. And let's see, the maximum travel, that's it. So I'll just open the door and let it swing open. That's as far as it goes. It hits the rubber. The door's going to open just to that point and no further. And just to give you a kind of a long shot here. And that is the rear door check install.